The Maytag washer error code F7E7 indicates a motor start problem, which can be caused by a system glitch, uneven load distribution, or a faulty spin motor. To fix this error, start by resetting the washer. Unplug it from the socket, let it rest for about 5 minutes, and then replug it to the power socket and power it back up to see if the error has cleared. Another solution is to balance the wash load by pausing the cycle, opening the lid, and evenly distributing the load by alternating light items with heavy items, making sure to follow the recommended weight load per cycle as stated in the user manual. Additionally, check for clothes stuck between the basket and the drum that could hinder motor movement. If the issue persists, inspect the spin motor by unplugging the machine, removing the back panel, and testing the motor board for continuity. Also, inspect the motor for damage such as cracks and corrosion, and replace any damaged parts with new ones. After reassembling the machine, power it up to see if the error has been resolved. If the problem still exists, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further guidance.